I wanted to be able to kind of show you the difference and the common misconceptions between measurements of these particular risers, or sweeps as we call them. These are still using 24-inch galvanized risers here. This is a 36-inch galvanized riser. And this is the 5-foot stick of galvanized pipe that we require as an anchor point. This is that FA fitting that we've already talked about, and this is that bell then that we've talked about. So I'm just going to kind of very quickly go through the difference here. So this here is a 36-inch galvanized 2-inch sweep or riser that we use at all pole locations or transformer locations. So this is where we use this one. As you can tell, it's much taller. And if you are to set this level on the ground and measure, what you'll find out is the distance is way beyond a 36-inch height. It's actually closer to 48 inches, or some of them are 44, and I've even seen them as long as 52, depending on where they're made. So this one's also confused with the 24-inch radius galvanized L or radius riser. This one here, if you measure it, you're going to find that it's about 32. I've seen them at 32, I've seen them at 36, I've seen them as tall as 40 inches before. If you have any questions, you can't always look at that tape measure, but you can look at the label or contact the manufacturer, and you'll be able to tell on here that it's a 24 or a 36-inch radius. This one is a 24. And how it is that we use these are in all of our junction cabinet locations. So this here is a smaller sweep that comes in because we have a lot more bulky things that are taking place on top, whether it being wire, connectors, or something. So these here are used in a secondary installation and also a primary junction cabinet location. So I hope that this video will kind of clarify a little bit of the difference between these risers.